Hello again. Welcome to Park Hyatt at Home, aka Super Chef Dad. I am Matt, and this is my sous chef Belle, aka Super Daughter Zoe. And today we are making. Do you remember what they're called?
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi. Today we are going to be making gnocchi. Two different types of gnocchi, traditional potato gnocchi and then a ricotta gnocchi. I hope you enjoy. We have a lot to do, so let's get cooking. All right, our potatoes have cooled slightly, but they're still very warm. We have 500 grams of potatoes, 1 egg beaten. We're just going to pour that evenly over the potatoes. 1 teaspoon of salt, and we want to start cutting in these ingredients. We need approximately 150 grams of flour. You can always add more flour. What we're looking for is a dough that holds together. It's just a little bit sticky, but still a pretty smooth mass. We're gonna take the dough and just fold it onto itself and press. You don't want to knead, just fold and press. Be prepared to make a mess. I used to have a helper that would really come in handy for this kind of recipe. I wonder where she is. Zoe, what are you doing? You're supposed to be in the kitchen. What are you just golfing? How often do you go golfing?
Never.
See, there we go. That's it. Let's get all this extra flour. I don't know if you could see. It's very, very soft. You see, it's smooth, but a little bit sticky on my fingers. This is it. Roll this guy into a log. Let it rest 15 minutes. Divide the dough up to make it easier to work with. This is not that much. I think I'll do 3 pieces. Are you gonna help me now? Okay, hold on. I got a special guest coming. Okay, Zoe, say hello.
Snow pile.
We're making snow piles. No, we're not. We're making gnocchi.
No, snow pile.
I think I'm gonna need this. Do you know how to make a snake?
Yeah.
And I'll make a snake too. Are you making a snake?
Yeah.
We don't want to use our fingertips. We're going to try to work the dough as gently as possible. Like I said, gnocchi is a really annoying thing to make. It's not a hard concept. What kind of snake is that? I thought you said you were making a snake. Like I said, it's a really annoying dough to make. I've never seen a snake in the wild that looks like that. Where do you find a snake like that? All right, we're trying to get to a 1/2 inch thick. If the dough gets too long to work with, just cut it in half. Are your snakes done? Let's see your snakes. What? You're just throwing dough everywhere. Stop.
No, it's a mishmash.
It's a mishmash. I can think of some other words for it. All right, so we want little 1/2 inch pillows. Don't worry about measuring them exactly. Okay. Now, you could definitely just cook the gnocchi right from this point. You don't have to do this next step. You see we have a little sort of diamond. We want the diamond pointing down the tines of the fork. Just roll it over. All right, it's showtime again. Fresh gnocchi like this take very, very little time to cook. All right, you see our gnocchi are floating. Pan is ready. Sizzle. Okay, you see the gnocchi are already starting to take on some color. All right. Now for Mom and Dad, we finish these with some chorizo, fresh corn, chicken stock and butter. Okay, we are back. We are making gnocchi number 2. This is our ricotta gnocchi. Gently simmering water with a little bit of salt. Ice water bath. Our gnocchi batter. Spoon dipped in hot water. Can you see that? I scoop it out. I make a circular motion. So we make this little egg shape. See? You could also use 2 spoons. Another way to do this. Scrape them up and back. Doesn't have to be perfect, you know? Once they pop up to the surface, give them a turn, just so they cook evenly on both sides. They should feel, they're not gonna be rock hard, but they should feel solid throughout. I would recommend pairing this with a fresh apple juice.
No, orange juice.
20, late 2019 vintage is exceptionally sweet.
Juice.
But Mommy's not part of this video. Here's your
Yes,
teacher.
you are.
What do you think? Yeah, there you go.
Twist it to the side. It means almost.
Almost what? Almost good? Okay.
Almost amazing and good.
Is the second bite better? Well, I hope you enjoyed making gnocchi as much as we enjoyed eating them, or at least how much I enjoyed eating them. Zoe was on the fence, right? What did you think about the ricotta cheese gnocchi? Yeah. Until next time, stay safe, stay sane, and happy cooking.
And happy cooking.
Bye.
Bye.
Bend your knees. Okay, eye on the ball. 2 hands, 2 hands. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! Amazing!